Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on sync. So then you come to next step here, come here to automatic synchronization. Click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean automatic synchronization disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.